welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious, moist, but decadent chocolate cake. Now, if you love chocolate, then stay tuned because I will be glad to show you how. Starting off with our dry ingredients, I'm going to be adding all this to my bowl. For the dry ingredients, it's flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon, and you will find the exact measurements down on the description box. So once I have all that in there, I'm going to just mix it here with my whisk. You can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer. I probably should have used either one of those because this was challenging, but I did it. And once all that is mixed, making sure that I don't see any flour, then I'm going to make a well in the middle. And I'm going to be adding in my wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, it's milk or buttermilk. I am using buttermilk here. 2 eggs, lightly whisked. A half cup of vegetable oil and vanilla. So once I added in the milk and the eggs, I'm going to give that just a little mix before I start adding in the oil and the vanilla. I also add in what is like a coffee mixture. So it's 1 cup of hot water with 1 teaspoon of instant coffee mixed together. That is optional. I do like to add that because it gives it more of a chocolate flavor, but you can leave it out. Now, I did find that my mix was a bit too thick, so I'm adding a little bit more milk. If you find that it is like that, then go ahead and fix it. Just add some milk. And I'm going to be adding in my coffee mixture. Now your oven should be preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit by now, okay? So adding that in there, I'm going to mix it well. And I do have, I believe I'm using either a 6 or 7-inch Springer foam pan. You can use 2 of the 6-inch, but you can use whatever kind of pan that you like. And I did line it with parchment paper and sprayed it with some cooking spray. And I'm going to bake this for about 45 to 50 minutes, but your oven may vary, okay? Just keep checking. Here I'm adding 2 cups of chocolate chips, which is semi-sweet and chocolate, and heavy whipping cream, which is very hot. And I just add until I get like not a really thin consistency. It has to be just a little bit thicker. And I'm going to put this in the fridge so that it thickens up even more quicker so I can do the cake. Now here, I let this cake cool completely. I'm just taking off the top of it. And then I'm going to decorate it. So what I did was I put 1 layer of this. I put it in the fridge to harden, and I did another layer. So it's 2 layers of this ganache. So basically you're doing like a crumb coat at first. And then I decorated it, and it's done. It's delicious. You will love it. And there you go. I hope you all enjoyed my video and make this cake because you have to. Bye.